What's up guys? So today we are going to play for free Bloons TD. This is the new update 27.3. So let's extract to the Bloons TD. As you can see, there's an enter password. So the password is why not Bloons. So let's open. As you can see, I arranged all the files in here, and then it's ready to launch the game. So let's open the Steam. So if you want to update your Bloons TD, go to WHYnotBrix.me and then create account. There's a tutorial about creating account on WHYnotBrix. Wait for the Steam. So let's add the game to the Steam. Anan Steam game. Just follow me, browse. Then Bloons TD. Go to library and then find the Bloons TD6. So you can see the fix made by WHYnotBrix.me. Please notice that the only trusted sites are WHYnotBrix and CNRNRU. So this site WHYnotBrix that I downloaded the Bloons TD. Community we're playing. Alright. 27.3. 27 notes update. Boss Bloon event arrived. So there's challenge Bloon rules. Okay. And you want to read this latest. Let's start. So I'm playing now. This is for free by WHYnotBrix.me, and this is you can play with your friends at level 20. Let's play. So here's the multiplayer. Okay, social. Go to join match. Oh, you need to enter your friend code. Okay. Let's try if the quick games. Oh, it's working. As you can see, I'm level 22. All co-op games share cash hero XP event. Waiting for Chino main. Waro Tango. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and hit the notification bell for more updates in my new uploads. Alright, let's go, team. Oh, so this is my first time to play co-op in Bloons TD, because I haven't played this before. I upload my first upload in Bloons TD. So let's start. This is called Quincy.
Are you kidding me? Nothing gets past my bow. What's up?
Hero. Where's the other player? Maybe it's a AFK. Banana.
I am not afraid. Rejoice! Let there be light!
Tarpon lang kaya the most powerful. Okay. Can I jump? Oh, no. So this is I will cut this video. I will upload another for gameplay. And playing Minecraft for every Saturday. I upload Minecraft. Every month we play. If you want to join to my server, it's a free server by and I have a tutorial about how to create a server in Minecraft for free.
See the light! We are the righteous!
Goodbye.
Something under your breath, I can't take it. I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say,